Good morning. I'm Dr. Alok Mazumdar and I'm working in SevenHills Hospital as a general gastrointestinal and laparoscopic surgeon. I also do cancer surgery related to my specialty. As you all know, today is World Cancer Day, 4th February, and I'm going to tell you certain things about cancer, how to prevent it, and how to get it treated in hospital like SevenHills Hospital. Cancer across the globe have been on the rise, and lifestyle factors play a significant role in this increase. We all know that it is the lifestyle and the sedentary activities that we do, the lack of exercise, overweight, tobacco and alcohol consumption, which is one of the risk factors for cancer. Many of the cancers are preventable if the people are coming to the hospitals for early treatment, and they can avoid these harmful habits. Ahead of World Cancer Day, which is observed on February 4th, I am here to raise awareness about the different kinds of cancer that we usually see in our life. The first and the foremost is the lung cancer and the oral cavity cancer, and it is the most common cancer in men in India, and the second most common overall. The symptoms are that the patient will be having persistent cough. Along with the cough, there will be blood, chest pain, shortness of breath, and wheeze and fatigue. These symptoms, once if a patient is having, they must come to the hospital and get a checkup done. The second surgery is about colorectal cancer, and this is usually a cancer which people present lately. They have alteration in the bowel habits, they have constipation, they have diarrhea, and they have also bleeding per rectum. Although not all bleeding per rectum is cancer, but if it is persist for a long time, then one must come and see a doctor. Another cancer which usually affects the female is the breast cancer. As you all know, that every 4 minutes a woman in India receives a diagnosis of breast cancer, which accounts for 14% of all tumors in the Indian woman. How will a woman know that she is having breast cancer? It is better to palpate the breast and one can be aware of a mass or a lump, or if there is a size change or the shape or the appearance of the breast is changing. In this situation, the woman must visit the hospital to know whether she is suffering from breast cancer or not. The other cancer that affects us is the pancreatic cancer. We will have with jaundice, weight loss, and also there will be high colored urine. We also have other cancers like the skin cancers, we have cancers of the bone and the brain. All these cancers are being treated at our hospitals. The only thing that I want to emphasize today is that one must come early, because if the cancer is detected early, not only can it be treated, but at times it can be cured also. A few words on the prevention of cancer. Although many forms of cancer are not preventable, some people are still be diagnosed with cancer even if they lead a healthy lifestyle. Cancer risk can be lowered in number of ways. These include consumption of nutritious diet, high in fruits and vegetables, and low in processed foods and red meat. We must avoid tinned foods. We must avoid food with lot of salts and that comes in packages and are in frozen foods. We must do regular exercise and maintain a healthy weight. Abstain from using tobacco products, especially cigarette and tobacco chewing. Alcohol consumption is also a risk factor, and taking precaution against ultraviolet light, especially for the skin cancer, by wearing skin sunscreen and protective clothing. I recommend that we must do all this so that we can prevent cancer. We all know that prevention is better than cured. Last but not the least, that there are few cancers which can be prevented by vaccination, especially the cervical cancers, and for the young girls this must be taken. There are other vaccination against many cancers which can also lead to its prevention. And as the year 2023 World Cancer Day theme is Close the Care Gap. And we at Seven Hills Hospital is following this. You can come to us at an early stage and we will take care of all the aspect of cancer. Thank you.